aviation, and of course, engineering and technology. It is a STEM festival. We're happy to be able to do that. And we know that we stand on the shoulders of giants. That's why we are able to still do that. So please, turn your eyes to the sky right now. Let's find the Golden Knights aircraft high above us. Should be just to the right. And then we will also watch as Sean D. Tucker and Miss Jessie Panzer circle our jumpers. We'll see them orbiting around the Stars and Stripes. There we have it. Jumper away. Watch now. As he reaches terminal velocity somewhere around 120 knots. Then we'll see the flag unfurl. And please, prepare yourselves for the national anthem from Technical Sergeant Ashley Keeks. Well, she sang it beautifully, but I don't know if you realize what she was doing. That was remarkable. Technical Sergeant Ashley Keeks, she nailed it. Held that song out right to the jumper's feet. Touched the ground. Big thank you to Technical Sergeant Ashley Keeks and everyone who was out here today. Now, the next voice you hear will be that of Golden Knight Staff Sergeant Mitch Stockenberg.
Created initially to save a pilot's life as he jumped from his disabled aircraft. Parachuting has evolved through modern aviation technology to become the extreme sport of the 21st century. Good morning, Andrews. I am Staff Sergeant Mitch Stockenberg, originally from Fredericksburg, Virginia. It has been my proud honor to describe to you today a demonstration of precision freefall as performed by members of your United States Army parachute team, the Golden Knights. At this time, members of the Gold demonstration team are circling high overhead. The jumpers are out and the smoke is on. As the team leader takes his heading in this direction, the remaining jumpers glide to their precise opening points and await his signal. There you have the high-flying black and gold of your United States Army parachute team, the Golden Knights. Now, as you may have guessed, these jumpers are faced with a unique situation, a traffic jam in the sky. Each jumper must gain vertical separation to allow for individual approaches into the target area. It's accomplished by pulling down on the front part of the parachute and spiraling down at speeds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This allows the jumpers to set a traffic pattern, just like you might see aircraft at a busy airport. The parachutes used by the Gold Knights are flexible wing gliders, constructed of a lightweight ripstop nylon. To turn left, these jumpers pull down the left steering line. To turn right, they will pull down on the right steering line. As the jumpers near the ground, they will pull down on both steering lines simultaneously for the safest and softest possible landing. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the first jumper as he brings it into the target area. At 1,000 feet, the jumpers do what is called a wind penetration check, checking their distance and speed across the ground. They then fly a downwind leg, a base leg 90 degrees to target, then face into the wind for a final approach. It takes a great deal of concentration to land dead center on the target. The jumper keeps a close eye on the windsock located in the target area. Once on final approach, he then shifts all his concentration to a small black dot located in the center of that orange X. Watch the movements this jumper makes with his steering lines for a beautiful dead center landing. You may notice the tail of the parachute curl under. This slows the forward speed while reducing this jumper's rate of descent. For a safe, soft, stand-up landing. The parachutes have 7 openings in the front. These allow air to be forced in, inflating the flexible wing glider. Moments ago, these jumpers were more than 2 miles overhead, thanks in part to the advanced aerodynamic design of these rare parachutes. They are able to overcome the variability for wind and land safely in such a small target area. The same degree of precision, discipline, and teamwork exhibited by the demonstrators and competitors is also reflected by the Gold Knights Elite Aviation Section. Nicknamed Team 6, the pilots who fly the team aircraft average more than 5,500 flying hours per aviator. He is an airborne infantryman with 273 free-fall parachute jumps. Staff Sergeant Mike Connors. Performing the technical task of airborne videographer from Aurora, Colorado, he is an airborne motorman with 1,486 free-fall parachute jumps. Sergeant Jason Ballard. Now for the jumpers. From Montezuma, Iowa, he is an airborne nurse with 647 free-fall parachute jumps. Specialist Skylar Crawford. From Decatur, Illinois, he is an airborne logistics specialist with 3,876 free-fall parachute jumps. Sergeant First Class John Clevenger. From Miami, Florida, he is an airborne ranger with 1,854 free-fall parachute jumps. Staff Sergeant Dan Gerlach. From Jacksonville, Florida, he is an airborne parachute maintenance technician with 2,612 free-fall parachute jumps. Sergeant First Class Derek Colton. Hailing from La Crosse, Wisconsin, he is an airborne communications technician with 2,556 free-fall parachute jumps. Sergeant First Class Mike Cook. From Forest Lake, Minnesota, he is an airborne combat medic with 999 free-fall parachute jumps. Sergeant First Class Jake Kirkdown. All the way from Anchorage, Alaska, he is an airborne infantryman with 3,476 free-fall parachute jumps. Sergeant First Class Brandon Parr. From Dallas, Texas, He is an airborne motor transportation operator with 3,300 free fall parachute jumps. Staff Sergeant Blake Gator. Now, leading the Golden Knights in free fall, he is the team leader of the Gold Demonstration Team. From St. Louis, Missouri, he is an airborne aircraft refueling sergeant with 9,827 free fall parachute jumps. Sergeant First Class Joe Ablin. Ladies and gentlemen, it brings me great pleasure to present the Gold Demonstration Team for the 2019 Airshow season. All members of your United States Army Parachute Team, the Golden Knights. Now, in keeping with a long-standing Golden Knight tradition, we would like to present today's baton, which was flown in free fall, to a distinguished member of today's audience. Petty Officer Third Class Andres Felix Reyes has stepped forward and been introduced to the team leader. He will meet each individual team member and be presented with today's baton. Petty Officer Third Class Reyes hails from San Antonio, Texas. He enlisted in the Navy in June of 2016. He is assigned to Fleet Readiness Center, Mid-Atlantic Detachment, Washington. Petty Officer Third Class Reyes currently serves as the Command Central Technical Publications Librarian in charge of maintaining, inspecting, and administration of over 3,400 publications. Petty Officer Third Class Reyes, the United States Army, the Golden Knights, and the great state of Maryland proudly salutes you. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our performance for the weekend. And on behalf of the entire team, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being such a warm and receptive airborne audience. In closing, I leave you with this final thought. In the future, may all of your days be prosperous and your nights golden.
The Golden Knights, Staff Sergeant Mitch Stockenberg,